to my channel. This is Sahi. In this episode, unboxing December's MSM box. We have received this December's MSM box. Now let us see what are there in this box. Let me quickly unbox it. Here is the outer carton box, and now let us see the actual December's MSM box. Our December's MSM box come in this blue with the frozen ice printed out here. It's so cute, looking very gorgeous, symbolizing the winter and Christmas. Now let us open. Here we go. We have this butter paper with the MSM sticker. I'll just open this. Not help. And we got this info card here. Altogether I can see total there are 4 categories. Now let us see one by one. And the first thing I can see here is from Boutique. So this is Boutique Bio Almond Oil. This is Soothing Face and Eye Makeup Cleanser. So this is a cleanser from Boutique which is of 120 ml, and this 120 ml costs you 175 bucks. So this is the first product which we have received. So this is made up of 100% botanical extracts. That's what they claim. And here is the actual bottle. This is what it looks like. This is a plastic bottle and transparent. We can see how much oil is there. So this is again packed. I'm not going to open now. So this is the first product. Moving on to the second one. The second one which I can see from this box is this Malibu 20 SPF lotion medium protection. This is a sunscreen lotion from Malibu. This is 75 ml, and this 75 ml costs you 600 bucks. This is said to be very water resistant. That what printed out here, and this is UVA and UVB protected too. So it reads the higher the SPF number, the better the protection. But this is with 20 SPF. That means a bit no. I require minimum 50 SPF. So this is the second product. Moving on to the third one. That product is from Envida. This is Envida Whitening and Brightening Cryo Mask, and this is of 20 grams, and this 20 grams cost you 165 bucks. So this says that seaweed, cucumber and chamomile extract are the ingredients in this, and this is suitable for all skin types. You can check here. So this is the third product we got from this month MSM box. So moving on to the next product. The next product is this from Essence. This is a lip balm. So let me open and show you. So this is our fourth product. This is from Essence. This is a very cute lip balm. It is said lip balm and lip gloss. So this is of strawberry flavored strawberry cheesecake. That is what written over here. So let me open and give you a swatch. So by the way, this costs you 129 bucks. So here we go. You can see very light pink, very light pinkish shade. So you can check here the swatch. It's really cool looking, and this has a lot of shimmer in this, really. So this is the fourth product. That is what they have sent according to this info card. But I can see one more sachet in this. There is some kind of pouch. So this is from Clarins. So take control of your skin tone, turn on a radiant skin, new White Plus Pure Translucent Tri Intensive Brightening Serum. This is from Clarins. So let me open and show you. So there are 2 sachets from Clarins. These 2 are brightening serums. So these are sample packets. So this is something which is sponsored. So this is not counted in this info card. So this is all what we got in this December's month MSM box, and my box is empty all. And coming to my favorites, in this box I like this Envida Whitening and Brightening Cryo Mask. And the second product I like it in this is this lip balm or lip gloss from Essence. Do comment below what is your favorite product. Don't forget to use the code SM2016 in your subscription to get one bonus product. Well, that's what the review of this December month's MSM box. If you like this video, please hit that like button and do subscribe to my channel for more videos on unboxing and reviews. See you in my next episode. Till then, take care. Adios.